Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Want to create a cylindrical chart. How do we do that? Right click on the data set and type Alt F1. So it brings up this chart. You click on column and look for 3D stacked column. That's the kind of chart I'm using for this explanation. So click on it and hit OK. 3D stacked column, hit OK. Right, having done that, double click on the chart. Okay, you can also choose to change your values. Change your chart title or just use product chart. You can change it to whatever you want, right? So then double click on the chart. This pops up. Double click on it. Then click on change chart type. Change chart type. Ensure we've done this to 3D stacked column. So since we are fine with that, let's proceed. So now click on that icon and adjust. You want to adjust the transparency. Also click on right angle axis, right? So and then we want to also adjust the transparency. So I think that's pretty much okay, just a bit. Okay, so moving on, we need to click on the chart icon. So click on the chart icon, So ensure you are doing this from your end also. Click on this chart icon, not this icon, the second icon here. That's chart icon, and then click on cylinder. You can see that this automatically changes the chart to a cylindrical chart. So if you've learned something from this, do well to like, share, and subscribe for more.